We thank God for the judgments just delivered. They were well considered. Out of all the judgments that were delivered, I think today we say it was 4-0. The three main appeals and the only cross appeal, all of them went in favor of our clients, which is engineer A.A. Sule, the executive governor of Nasarawa State. So we are happy. We are happy. I'm Dr. Mubarak Adekilekun. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Well, Nasarawa State has been known to be a very peaceful state. And in the whole state, you find that we always lived as brothers and sisters. We've gone into a game. And in a game, there'll be a winner and there'll be a loser. And of course, you don't expect the losers to celebrate. And they understand the way they feel. And the most understand that we must first of all have a state before we can have a government, we can have governance. And I would like to call on my brothers and sisters who today have listened to the voice of wisdom. The justices have done justice to this case. And you can see that going by the judgments and the pronouncements, it was a thoroughly delivered judgment. I should take it that this is one of those things that happen. We must all come together and throw away all differences that these elections have caused us. So we can come together as a people to unite as one and develop our state. Our state needs all of us because we all belong there. And unless we come together and work together, we can have a state of our dream. Mr. A.A. Sule has been declared the winner at the election. The tribunal, the lower tribunal looked at it and thought otherwise. But now the higher tribunal has looked at it and said, no, indeed, Engineer A.A. Sule was the choice of the people. And the voice of the people is the voice of God. Anything against that is like fighting God. Please, let's come together and let us unite and develop our state. We need it.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. My name is John Matthew. I'm one of the council representing Honorable Dr. David Ombugadu and the People's Democratic Party in the 4 different appeals that were determined this afternoon.
Your reaction to the judgment? Okay. First, let's break down the aspect of jurisdiction and fielding inadmissible evidence in this judgment. Tell us, break it down for us. Let's understand.
Well, first and foremost, the issue of inadmissible evidence is rather strange. I think it demonstrates a complete misconception of the case of the petitioners at the lower tribunal and the first and second respondents, of course, in this court. The case of the first and second respondent before the lower tribunal did not have anything to do with polling unit results. Did not have anything to do with the contest of election at the polling units. It was basically to do with computation of the results after it was duly concluded at the polling units. So it is strange for anybody to expect that you should bring polling unit agents to give evidence and demonstrate documents. Neither of the parties contested the outcome of the elections at the polling units. What was contested was the computation, and this computation are done at the ward levels. And the various ward agents came before the tribunal and gave competent testimony about what took place with respect to the computation. Strangely, INEC, which did the computation, did not bring a witness to dispute the mathematical calculation, which the tribunal also did, utilizing the evidence that was tendered before it. So it is rather strange for this court to come to that determination. I think it was rather a very strange misconception of the case. And happily, this is not the final court in this matter. We already have instructions to test the decisions that have been rendered this afternoon, and we have already swung into action.
So your name is?
Thank you. John Matthew.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Secretary.
Okay, so tell us now. APC has won it to the general. Tell us how you feel.
Very happy and elated. It's a confirmation of what the people of Gombe State did. The elections in Gombe, as testified to by INEC and the observers, was very peaceful. It was free, it was fair, it was devoid of any kind of rancor or anything. The people of Gombe State came out and voted en masse for the people's governor, Alhaji Muhammadu Inu Ayahaya. And what the court has just did today is to affirm what the people of Gombe State did. The litigants were just wasting the court's time because there was no substance and there was no evidence against their against our governor, Alhaji Muhammadu Inuaya, and the party APC. And therefore, it was an easy thing for the court to attest to the fact that these elections was won free and square by the APC and Governor Muhammadu Inuaya.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Of course, the judgment. My name is Muritala Rashid, SAN. Yeah. What the judgment has just affirmed is to give approval to the decision of the people of Gombe as expressed with their votes on the 18th of March. And the decision of the Gombe State election, governorship election tribunal, delivered on the 26th of September 2023, to the effect that the authentic governor and the governor that was lawfully elected by the people of Gombe State is Alhaji Mohammed Yahya Inuwa. And that is what the Justice of Appeal has just affirmed.
Your name again, sir?
My name is Muritala Rashid, SAN. Yeah.
Counsel for
Okay, my name is Herbert Nwoye, counsel to the appellant.
Look at the camera.
Okay, now see, okay, Gombe State decision from Gombe State panel, appeal.
Yes.
Gombe State. Can you just react to your reaction to that?
Yes, we have just received the judgment. We listened to same here. We will consider the judgment when we get the copy, certified true copy of the judgment, seek advice our client on the next step in respect of the matter. The conclusion part of it is that the court dismissed our appeal, but we still have right to appeal, further appeal to the appellate court.
Do you have any area you visited and disagreed with?
Various parts of it, but the issue is that it was just highlights of the judgment that was delivered. Until we get it, we are strongly of the view that there are so many aspects of it that disqualification of the deputy governor amounts to the disqualification of the governor in the way we contended in our position. But when we get the judgment, we will consider that and know the next line of action.
Your name again, sir?
Herbert Nwoye, Herbert Nwoye. Herbert, thank you. Thank you.